Hey, how's everybody doing? My name is Louis with the Money Machine Lifestyle. Guys, we're going to talk about prosperity people system. Guys, this is a high ticket program. Guys, I generate income by Millionaire flyers. Millionaire flyers, guys. Okay? This is a high ticket program. This program is, I think it's the best high ticket program out there right now. Okay? And they're updating their system every month. Okay? This program has been here probably for like 5 years already, but they just updated with a whole bunch of new stuff. Okay, guys, they got 5 levels. Okay, the 500, 1,500, 3,500, the 7,500, and the 11,000. Okay, guys, they got digital products, digital marketing products at the back office. Depending on the level that you join, you're gonna have them. Okay, guys, is this simple? Okay, even a baby could do it, guys. All right. When you guys are ready to join, all you have to do is call this number. Okay, guys, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this this video. Okay, guys, when you guys join me, okay, you're gonna have an exclusive training website made by me for you guys. Okay, once you guys join my team, I'm gonna give you guys a password. All you're gonna have to do is just enter the password here and press go. You're gonna be prompted to the next page. Okay. This is the team website, okay? Guys, I'm going to teach you guys everything from A to Z, okay, which is Facebook, YouTube marketing, all right? Guys, like I said, all you have to do is just get in contact with me, okay? Connect with me, guys, all right? And let's grow. Let's make this money, all right, guys? You guys have a pleasant day. Be safe, guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, all right? Bye.